Have you ever been by the Cloud Gate bean in Chicago? Have you ever wondered how it was made? This whopping 100-ton structure consists of 168 stainless steel plates welded together. It is so polished that there are no seams visible. How did the workers engineer such a feat? The bean initially started out as a computer design with its core frame supported by two large metal circles made to sit on opposite sides of the bean. Each ring was designed to move independent of one another to assure that when temperatures changed and the bean changed shape, that the inner support would also adapt to the new changes. Cross pipes were then laid between the two support rings with careful detail placed in ensuring that the weight of the bean was equally distributed. Once the interior was complete, it was time to move the 168 stainless steel plates into place. Each plate weighed between 1 and 2,000 pounds. Before the plates were brought to Chicago, they were polished to within 98% of their finished state. To ensure a fine mirror finish on the plates, the polishing process was 5 stages long and ended with 800 grit sanding and rouge. The artist Anish Kapoor actually designed the bean to look like the shiny metal mercury. The plates were then laser welded together and the final polish was completed on site. The Cloud Gate bean was completed on August 28, 2005. So next time you're in Chicago, swing by the AT&T Plaza in Millennium Park and appreciate this grand work by Anish Kapoor. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for new videos.